This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Shauna Lane. Beautiful townhome condo located in the heart of Chesapeake and sought-after neighborhood. Featuring an amazing open floor plan, modern kitchen with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, pantry and more. Community area includes playgrounds, pool, clubhouse, and trash pickup. Conveniently close to shopping, beaches, bases, interstates, and more. Schedule your showing today before this home is long gone. For more information, review the details below or contact Shauna Lane at 757-300-1569.